80s. West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Radio in High Hill, Ohio on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz. The preceding tone signals were a test of the alarm device of this weather radio station. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will be automatically activated by these tones to warn of impending hazards. Tests of these receivers are conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and 12 noon on each Wednesday. This radio station, WXJ-47, serves the following counties in east central Ohio: Athens, Belmont, Carroll, Coshocton, Gallia, Guernsey, Harrison, Jefferson, Licking, Meigs, Monroe, Morgan, Muskingum, Noble, Perry, Tuscarawas, and Washington. And finally, for these counties in northern West Virginia: Pleasants, Ritchie, Tyler, Word, and Wood. The National Weather Service now returns to the regular broadcast. For east central and southeast Ohio and northern West Virginia, including Zanesville, Cambridge, Coshocton, New Philadelphia, Marietta, Parkersburg, and surrounding areas. For today, partly cloudy this morning.